MVIS stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Microvision, pure proper bullish market, and for me, I'm still looking to take things higher. Before I get deeper, I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on course submissions. With MVIS, proper bullish market for me, man. Like I was hoping to see my double break mat, and you know how it is sometimes, like even if you're patient, your rules just never are met. And this is completely normal part of the game. Like if you're new on the channel, I'm following my edge that I've refined over 4 years, right? And right now, it's still like I want to take the highs up, but like from right now, like there's no way that I'll just pull the trigger like nothing. No, I want to see a retracement then and take things up. And guess what? If my rules are not met and I don't get what I want to see, then I'm not just going to trade this ticker symbol at this point of time. Simple as that. So let me know what is your opinion on this. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.